Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used ACDelco oil filter, number PF63. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This filter was in service for 5 months, 4,440 miles, and came off of John's 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. He was using 5W30 Pennzoil Signature Series full synthetic oil during this period. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your angle here, filtration.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. The date code 24143 ES. Product of USA. Okay. And this is a sticker on here to get the filter number. And this filter has 13 inlet holes, nylon center core, bypass valve down below at the dome end, 5 grooves there for threads, a lot of threads there, and nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. Put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. You can see where it got squished a little bit right here on this side. Okay, looks like a good gasket. Alright, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Okay, not too much oil. And drain back valve. Now you can see a little sliver of paint on the side of the can. Okay, take a look at this up close. Alright, no slits, no tears. Looks good. Yeah. Okay, looks fine. A lot of inlet holes. Yeah, that's nice. It's a lot of inlet holes on this base plate. It's nice. Yeah, it covers up the holes nicely. Okay, filter element. Bypass valve right there. Okay, we got metal end caps. Pretty clean. A glued seam right here. And I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. Look nicely spaced. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Nice clean filter, not too much glue all over the place. And this is a cellulose polyester microglass blend media with a micron rating of 98% multipass efficiency at 25 to 30 microns. Yeah, it all looks pretty good. Bypass valve. This has a setting of 22 psi. It's got a nice curve to it. Looks good. Can. Yeah, it looks nice and clean in there. There's no sludging or particles, carbon particles or anything. So nice and clean there. And I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. Yeah, the oil's got a nice tint to it there. It looks nice. Nice color to it. Doesn't look black or anything. Alright. Now let's get the measurements of this filter media. Pretty wide. 3.55 inches wide, minus 1/10 of an inch. Alright, so let me squeeze this out, stretch it out, see what this filter media looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter all stretched out. And this ACDelco filter is 52.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.92 millimeters thick. Here's the filtering side, back side. And this filter media is pretty dark. I'm going to put up, you're going to probably want to freeze this. I'm going to put up 2 pictures of this filter media. One is of it right now. And one is when I did it about 6 months ago. John was using royal purple at the time. This one has more miles on it. It has like 1,300 something more miles. But there's a big difference between the way they looked then and now. So let's take a look at that picture. You'll see there's a big difference. So with this filter media, it's been in the car, let's see, an extra month and 1,300 miles, somewhere around there. And it's using Pennzoil this time. Before it was using royal purple, but totally a different looking filter media. I don't know if it's done a lot of cleaning since then or just 1 month makes that much of a difference. But I thought I'd show that because I thought it was an interesting comparison. So let's look at this filter media up close. So there's really nothing on the surface, you know, there's nothing on the surface itself. It's just all inside. It's making it really dark. There's a couple light spots here and here. No sparklies. There's really no carbon and soot on the outside. So you can see some light spots here and there. Over here. I just found it kind of interesting how it could be really dark one time and light another time. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we already went over these components. Gasket, anti-drain back valve. You know, I definitely like these base plates with all these holes, inlet holes. That's really nice. I think they should make them all like that. The oil would spread out a lot, you know, a lot more in the can. It would spread all over the place. In the can, I had it sitting like this. You can see it's nice and clean in there. Nothing in there. Don't have to worry about oil flow with this. And the end caps. Metal end caps. Cut off. Bypass valve. So I'd say this ACDelco oil filter did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Please post your comments down below. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this used ACDelco oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take care.